It will take weeks to officially declare, but Public Health in Dane County expects a 16-year-old to be the first teenager to die due to COVID complications in the entire state.
The Madison East High School junior died over Thanksgiving break. As our Gabriella Becerra reports, his family and friends want you to remember that he's much more than just a statistic.
Isai Morocho's friends and family tell us he made a difference in people's lives, both at home and at Madison East High School. Regardless of who was saying it,
I've heard that he was funny, that he was kind, that he listened to others.
The descriptions of Isai Morocho all sounded similar, whether it was his principal,
that he was a great student, that he had an interest in theater and cooking, among other things, and that he was a great brother to his little sister.
or his family, who wasn't ready to speak on camera about him. But Isai's aunt, Maria Santa Cruz, told us today her nephew was a good young man that was loving to his parents and siblings. She added he was a good friend to many. One of his classmates, Amir Lee, described Isai as always having a big smile on his face, which always brightened up the class. He was just so funny and a great person to be around. In light of Isai's death, his family is reminding others that what happened to Isai could happen to anyone.
They wanted to share the cause of his passing yesterday so that we would remember the danger that COVID poses to all of us, and that we would do everything we can to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe.
It's a reminder UW Health's Dr. Jeff Pothoff has personally seen in his COVID units. He knows a case like Isai's is rare, but needs to be talked about.
You can't apply population statistics to the individual person. There are plenty of people who don't have any comorbid conditions, who are young, who get COVID and then don't make it. They just don't have any idea what's going to happen when you get COVID-19. If you get COVID-19, you're just rolling the dice.
Santa Cruz hopes telling her nephew's story reaches you, regardless of your circumstances, adding Isai was a strong, healthy young man with lots of hopes and dreams. Principal Carney says resources are available for any students and staff who may need them. He says it's understandable to have a tough time dealing with this news and suggests students reach out to trusted staff if needed. In Madison, Gabriella Becerra, News 3 Now.
A GoFundMe page started to help pay for funeral costs was started for Isai, and as of this afternoon, the page has raised more than $22,000 out of a goal of $25,000. You can find a link to it on our website, channel3000.com.